Bicol University, built since the 1970s.
A world-class university.
World-class university producing leaders and change agents.
One of the most prestigious colleges in the archipelago. Bicol University has prided itself on its high standards in teaching and quality learning since the 1970s. It is an open university inasmuch as it offers a safe and welcoming environment, allowing a secure and equal learning environment for both genders. CBEM features different organizations within the campus like JPIA, but most importantly, the YES organization, which then allow us, as entrepreneurs and other business-related students, to showcase different talents and dedication for growth and learning in business, better preparing students before entering the business world. But with all of those efforts said and done, why did we choose this entrepreneurship as a key to our own success in life?
I chose BS Entrepreneurship course for some reason, which can help me improve and make me an innovator and creator in this uncertain world. With the aid of offered creative goods and services, entrepreneurship mostly assists in resolving difficulties of daily life and alleviating pain points. This education also teaches me how to foster opportunity, inspire self-assurance, uphold social justice, and boost economy. Studying entrepreneurship improves one's ability to think logically and analytically, which makes it possible to solve any challenges.
Most of the young entrepreneurship students find very interesting questions about what they are experiencing as an entrepreneurship student.
Being a student of entrepreneurship is both fascinating and challenging. It is simultaneously difficult and enjoyable. Everything comes down to commitment. It takes good business judgment, flexibility, and invention. Being an entrepreneur compels you to constantly learn new business skills for all facets of your venture. Use your knowledge in a variety of professions. Develop your business agility so you can think creatively. As a first-year BS Entrepreneurship student, my objective as a student is to thrive in college as well as in life. We must think that our primary goal is not to make a profit but rather to create value, to change how people do business, perceive, understand things, or even live. Here at BSCBEM, we build professional communication skills to be more precise or connected to other people.
Pursuing entrepreneurship is not easy. It changes how I think about things, to think differently from the rest, to find every opportunity useful at any expense, but that's how it is. That's 3 minutes of your time. See you next school year. Come and enroll now.